At AISUS we have a large range of crawlers, varying from small crawlers that can fit into a 3-inch pipe up to big crawlers that can go down 5-metre passageways. We have a vertical tri-legged crawler which can drive up and down vertical pipework between 8 inches and 16 inches. This has a tether length of 180 metres and can navigate bends and drive upwards in vertical pipes. We have an underdeck magnetic crawler which is primarily used for underdeck inspections on semi-submersibles. This has 5 UT probes and tracked crawler system, so it can drive under the deck and collect ultrasonic data while the asset is still operational, rather than this saves it having to come into dry dock to do these inspections.